Are you overpaying on car allowance and mileage reimbursement? IRS-compliant solutions start here if your business relies on employees driving for work. There's a high chance you're overpaying or underpaying on vehicle expenses. Car allowance and mileage reimbursement can get complicated fast, especially when you're trying to stay IRS compliant. That's where Reimburse comes in. We help companies across the U.S. optimize their car allowance and mileage reimbursement programs using IRS-compliant strategies and real-time data. Our FAVR-based solutions ensure employees are fairly and accurately reimbursed based on actual costs like fuel, insurance, and maintenance in their zip code. And because it's IRS approved, your business stays audit safe while maximizing tax efficiency. With our Malog mileage tracking app and cloud-based platform, you get automatic mileage capture, driver safety tools, and powerful dashboards for reporting and compliance. Our clients see up to 38% in cost savings, reduced administrative hassle, and happier mobile employees. Stop guessing. Start reimbursing the right way. Visit reimburse.com today and let's build a smarter car allowance and mileage reimbursement program backed by the IRS. Built for the road ahead.